Hey guys, welcome back. Today I was working on the support for my new milling machine and I thought it would be nice to make a video about my welding equipment. So this will be the second video in my workshop series where I will show you each of my machines that I use for my videos. So this is my TIG welder. It's a TIG 200p and it's sold by JSIC. But depending on the country where you live, it's also available from other brands. It's a DC TIG welder and it has a range of 10 up to 200 amps. And at 200 amps it has a 65% duty cycle. It allows me to use pulse welding and that option I use actually quite a lot. And it comes with a 26 size torch as standard. For this welder I use a 10-liter bottle of 100% argon and I usually have it set at around 12 to 15 CFH. So I have two TIG torches for the welder. The first one is a standard 26 size torch that comes with the welder itself. It's this one. Although it is a really nice torch, it's a bit bulky for the work that I usually do with it. And especially the cable itself that is used for it, it's really stiff and thick. So yeah, although it does work, it's not the best and the most convenient. And after I saw a video of Jody from Welding Tips and Tricks, I saw him use the torches from CK Worldwide. And because of that video, I decided I wanted a 9 size torch from that company. So that's the one next to it and the one that I primarily use, especially since I got it. The old one, the 26 size, is not really used anymore. And one of the things I really like while using it is, well, first of all, it's a lot smaller. But also the cable that comes with it, the Superflex cable, is really flexible, as you can see. And especially compared to the standard cables, it's almost as if you are soldering instead of welding. To complete the torch, I also bought a Pyrex cup and gas saver set for it. And that allows me to have a better view of the welding puddle from all different kind of angles. And it also lights up the surrounding area a lot better than a normal cup does. It's not really necessary, but it is a really nice addition to the torch. So and finally, my welding helmet, or the safety gear. I use a couple of, well, just regular welding gloves. There's nothing too special about that. But the welding helmet itself does require a little bit more explanation. First I got this, well, this cool looking one with the flames. It was just a cheap helmet just to try out the welding. But, well, I had some issues with it. It started being less and less reliable. And quite a couple of times I got flashed by the helmet during welding. So I decided it was better to upgrade for safety sakes. And well, the upgrade is to this new welding helmet, an Optrail VegaView 2.5. And well, I'm really happy with this welding helmet. It's comfortable, it has a good view on the workpiece and not that weird green tint all over when you're trying to weld. So, really happy with it and can definitely recommend it. And the cheap ones, well, although they have their place, I would not consider buying it unless you're just welding once or twice every year. So this is the welding equipment that I use. I've tried electrode welding, MIG welding and TIG welding, and I like TIG welding the most. It has several reasons, but the main ones are that it allows me to really control the puddle and control the weld. And I also really like it because it lacks the spatter that the other welding equipment, welding methods do have. And well, it's not possible to use the other welding methods in my workshop. And besides that, Welding in general is also really nice and fun to do because it's really rewarding. In just a couple of minutes or hours you can build giant structures that are not really possible in other ways of constructing. So as I said in the beginning of this video, I have a machine, a milling machine, on its way here. And in my next video I will show you its arrival and installation, and we'll talk a bit more about the machine itself and what I'm planning on doing with it.